Hi friends, today I am going to introduce you to the monkey family that visits our garden almost every day. This is Daddy Monkey named Spark, and this is his wife Sparkle and her baby Tingu. Left wrist of Sparkle is broken, so she is not able to use her left hand. You can see that she is using only her right hand. This is brother Bingo and sister Rosa. They are a close-knit family and they always travel together whenever they go in search of food. Here comes Sparkle, followed by Tingo. Wait for me, mummy, I'm also coming. And here comes Rosa. I wonder if I can find anything down there. And that's Spark. Hey Rosa, did you find anything down there? Tingo climbs up. Wee, I am on the top of the world. Mummy, Papa, can you see me? Hey, be careful, Tingo, you'll fall down. No, mummy, I will not fall. Oops, I'm slipping. He holds on to the railing. My body is still itching so much. Let me see if I can find something down there. Tingo gets down. Spark sees Tingo get down and is worried. Hey, come up. What are you doing there? No, I will not come up. You naughty boy. Do as I say. Hold my hand. Come up. No, no, I am having fun here. Come up, otherwise I'll thrash you. Mommy, Dad is threatening to thrash me. Leave the boy alone. Why are you scolding him all the time? You always take his side. You're spoiling him. He never listens to me nowadays. Come here, Tingo. I'm coming, Mummy. As long as she's supporting him, I'm helpless. Meanwhile, Rosa is climbing up the railing. Hey, Rosa, what are you doing? I was wondering if I can find anything down there. Oh, there's nothing to eat there. See if you can find any ripe ramfalas on that tree. Okay, I'll climb up the tree and search. Let me climb higher. Maybe I can find some ripe ones. Wait, I'm also coming. This is a big fruit. Let me see if it is ripe. This one is ripe. Wow, so tasty. I'm attracted to this big one. Rosa enjoys the ripe ramfal. Let us leave her and see what others are doing. Here is Bingo. He's climbing up the railing. Sparkle's hand is paining. Poor thing, she's rubbing it. She's yawning. Hey Sparkle, are you feeling tired? Yes, I did not sleep well yesterday due to pain in my broken wrist. I wonder if I can find anything to eat down there. Hmm, nothing special there. And there is Tingo coming near his mother. He's getting down again. Hey Tingo, what are you doing down there? We can't see you. He must have pulled his mother's tail. She's looking down. He's a naughty boy. Bingo comes down the tree into our compound. And here Tingo climbs up to join his mother Sparkle. Mommy, come here, my baby. What were you doing down there? I told you to keep away from trouble. My darling child. Tingo enjoys some termites from the dead branch. Sparkle is happy to sit with her baby. When Sparkle is with Tingo, she forgets all her pains. We will leave her with her baby. Bye, Sparkle. Bye, Tingo. See you both in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thank you.